Shall discuss atmospheric refraction, means refraction of light through the different layer of atmosphere. Atmospheric refraction is the phenomenon of bending of light on passing through Earth's atmosphere. Some phenomena based on this atmospheric refraction we shall discuss later. First of all, the meaning of atmospheric refraction is when a starlight or the light from sun come from the source. First it travel in vacuum, but when it enter in the layer of atmosphere, since the top layer of atmosphere has less density, and as we go towards the Earth's surface, the density of air increase, or we can say different layer of atmosphere has different density. So when the starlight or sunlight enter in the atmospheric layer, then it suffer refraction. We can say gradual refraction take place, means again and again refraction take place by different layer of atmosphere. All the time it bend towards the normal. That is why the ray of light actually come in our eye after bending in the shape of a curve. So if observer produce the ray of light in the backward direction, if we produce the ray of light in the backward direction which enter in our eye, it appears to come from the source B instead of source A. It means the apparent position of star is only visible due to the layer of atmosphere, or we can say due to the atmospheric refraction. So since the starlight come after gradual bending, that is why it appears to come in it come in bending way, and it appears to come from a point somewhat above than the actual point, and this point is called apparent point. You can see in the picture, B is the apparent position, A is the actual position. Instead of A, we can see the star at B. But this apparent position of star even vary, it fluctuates. Means sometimes it appear here, sometimes at the other place. Since the apparent position of the star is not stationary due to the physical condition of atmosphere, because the layer of atmosphere are mobile, and even the temperature factor, somewhere more temperature, somewhere less factor. So the physical condition of atmosphere not remain fixed. That is why this apparent position of star fluctuate. And since the apparent position fluctuate, that is why sometime dim light enter in our eye, sometime bright light enter in our eye, and this brightness and dimness of light is only produce the twinkling effect. That is why star appears to be twinkle. The star is very far away from us, that is why they are very small, means they consider as a point source. So when the ray of light come through the point source, the twinkling effect will be there. But the another thing, why the planet do not twinkle? Because the planet are comparatively bigger than the star. Actually the stars are very big in comparison of planet, but they are very far away from us, that is why they appear small. But the planet are comparatively nearby, that is why when the ray of light come through the planet, since planet is bigger, means many ray of light are coming together. We can say the planet is the collection of many point source, millions of point source. So from many point source, if the ray of light coming together, it suffer the atmospheric refraction, but sometime which we can say bright light, sometime the dim light will nullify the effect. Means some point which appears brighter, the another point appears dimmer, but after all this nullify the twinkling effect, because many points are there. The ray of light are coming from the collection of point source, that is why the twinkling effect will be nullified, and we cannot see the planet to be twinkle, but the star always appears to be twinkle, because the star is a point source, planet is the collection of point source. So from collection of point source, if the ray of light come, twinkling effect will be there, but it will cancel each other, because sometime when some point appears brighter, the another will be dimmer, and the second time the another will be brighter, and the first one will be dimmer. The second example is the advanced sunrise and delayed sunset is due to the atmospheric refraction. Means sun is actually below the horizon. This is our horizon, eye level. Okay, actually sun is here just below the horizon during the sunset, but we can see this sun even below the horizon is there. Means 2 minute delayed sunset is there. Why? Because when the sun is just below the horizon, the ray of light coming through the atmosphere, first it travel in vacuum, it will move in straight way, but when it come in the bottom layer of atmosphere, then it bend towards the normal, means gradual bending take place, and this bending, after bending, this refracted ray of light when enter inner eye, it appears to come from a point somewhat above than the actual point. It means the whole sun is visible here. This is the apparent position of sun. Actual position of sun is here, but it is apparent position, so we can see apparent position of sun just after the, just below the horizon even. So 2-minute delay sunset. Same way, 2-minute earlier sunrise we can see, because during the sunrise the sun is in the east. So even below the horizon, when it is there in certain position, the ray of light come after bending inner eye, and it appears to come from somewhat above than the actual point because of atmospheric refraction, and that is why we can see 2-minute earlier sunrise. So this is the reason of 2-minute earlier sunrise and 2-minute delayed sunset. This reason is we can explain with the help of atmospheric refraction. Some more phenomena there on atmospheric refraction, just like when the sun is below the horizon, it appears oval or flattened. You can see. Why? Because when it comes from the layer of atmosphere, due to uneven heating, due to the uneven density of layer, actually the uneven bending is take place. Means some ray of light bends sharper, some ray of light bending dimmer, and that is why the uneven shape of sun is visible. Means it is appears flattened or big even, but it appears orange red. Why? Because of scattering, we shall discuss later on.